If your business suffers a loss, do you know what happens next? Filing an insurance claim can help you recover, but only if you do it right. A business insurance claim is how you request payment from your insurer after a covered loss, like property damage, employee injury, or a liability issue. The process usually follows a clear path. First, you report the loss. Then your insurer reviews it, and a claims adjuster investigates what happened. After that, the insurer evaluates the claim and offers a settlement. You can accept it or request a reassessment if you disagree. Some claims take just a few weeks. Others can take months, depending on how complex the situation is. Before filing, review your policy. Make sure the loss is covered, understand your deductible, and check your coverage limits. Next, document everything. Take photos and videos, gather receipts, write descriptions, and collect any reports or witness statements. Then, contact your insurance company as soon as possible. Many policies have time limits, and waiting too long could lead to a denial. You'll need to complete claim forms carefully. Missing details or errors can delay your claim or even cause it to be denied. You'll also work with a claims adjuster. Cooperate and provide any documents they request to keep things moving smoothly. Once reviewed, you'll receive a settlement offer based on your coverage, limits, and deductible. If your claim is denied, don't panic. You can review your policy, gather more evidence, and even file an appeal. Common claims include general liability, property damage, business interruption, workers' compensation, and commercial auto. To improve your chances of success, act quickly, document thoroughly, and understand your coverage before filing. Click the link in the description box below for free business insurance quotes to compare and start saving today.